Hello guys, how are you? Okay, this time I was sharing the alias. What is mean alias? Alias means you have to create the shortcut comment. For example, just this is you already know LSUF, right? So you don't want to type this long name. Okay, you don't want to type this long. You want to check this comment. You want to type the pod, right? Then it will show this or this LSOF output. So which means you can create the shortcut. You don't want to type the long command name. So this is which means you create the alias. Okay, so let's start from the default aliases. Okay, let's see, there is a default alias. So this is the default alias that you didn't create. This is created by the system. So this is the custom name, that is the command name. Okay, this one is you give whatever you want. You remember, you easy to use, everything you can give as the shortcut. And then this is the real command name. Okay, let's say we had the type LE, sorry, LE. So this is LE command, is the same as the ls dash capital A. So this is the you can create the shortcut inside the Linux operating system. Oh, now I'm type in the clear, right? I don't want to type clear, I want to type C, then it will be clear. Let's see, before we create the alias, whether can clean the screen or not. Cannot, right? So this is because I didn't create the aliases. Okay, let's create together the alias. First of all, the command is alias, then you need to type the command name. Okay, what command you want to use. For example, clean, I don't want to type long name, clean cs, so which means clean the screens. Okay, then the command is clear, single quote, clear, clear, then enter. So which means we already add that inside the this current terminal. Okay, so let's clear the screen. Okay, clear also can, let's type something, then okay, just for clear. So I want to clean the screen. Just now what I type was cs, then it's the same things. Okay, cs also type, you clean the screen, and clear also same the screen, but you don't want to type clear because of the long name. You don't want to type the long name, that's why you created the alias to clean the screen. It's quite easy, right? So let's check whether alias is already inside their default alias database or not. Okay, so just now we created the alias, right? It's already inside. So you created that one, is only temporary. After you close this terminal, it will be disappear. Okay, later I will share how you can create the permanent alias. So, okay, let's create some other aliases. For example, you want to check the log. Okay, log information, you don't want to go this directory path, right? So you want to create the alias. For example, you want to check the log. Okay, so just type log. The log file is inside the var log directory, cat / var log and messages messages. So this log file you have to check usually, or you want to check always. So you don't want to type long name to go inside the directory to checking. Then you want to create the alias, then enter. So at that time you already created the alias. Check whether alias already inside or not. Okay, where is this, our creation? Oh, here, right? This is just now we created the alias. Okay, so let's see whether we can see the log or not. Oh, so all this log information you can see from here. So which means you created the directory path to check the aliases. Okay, so this time what we will do, we will create the Linux service to start, stop and checking the status. Okay, so we will create the alias and then check start SSH. Okay, so this means we have to start the SSH service. Then you need to type the real command. What is the real command of the SSH service? So service SSH start. So that is the real command. So you don't want to type the real command, that's why you create the aliases. Then enter or something. I didn't this is not the double quote, this is single quote. Okay, so then I already typed the single quote, I created the alias and then clear the screen. I don't want to clear, just type cs. Okay, clear already. Then check start the SSH service. Okay, just now what we did, just check inside the alias, then you can see that we created alias, the shortcut is start SSH, the real service is here. So we will check, or we will start the SSH service. Then SSH service, just wait, ask me to type the privilege password. Okay, so SSH service started already. Okay, so we have to create another SSH command how to check the SSH status. Okay, just the same things, alias check SSH, then you need to type the real command service SSH status. Okay, this is a checking the status. We created the alias. Try again whether there is a list inside the alias or not. Okay, this alias already inside. Okay, then you need to clear the screen again, then you have to check SSH. Oh, check, sorry, my bad. check SSH. Okay, so SSH service is already running. Okay, active already. Okay, so it's quite easy, right? You don't need to type the service SSH start, right? Just created the alias, it will be automatically run the default commands and then show the output, right? So let's create another command, SSH command, alias, this time restart SSH, so which means restart the SSH. Okay, then service SSH restart, enter. So this time you want to restart the service. For example, service stop or service not working properly, right? You want to restart the service, then you have to type restart RESSH. Okay, ask me again the password, then type already. So service already started. Check again, check SSH. Okay, it's quite good, right? Even you want to hiding your really good comment, right? You don't want to show to the other people, right? You just create the alias, then you can type your custom comment. Nobody will know what you are doing. You know, you are using the custom comment and the shortcut information, right? So another thing you will check, you want to check your network IP address. Okay, network IP address, but you don't want to type ifconfig or which interface, you don't want to type, but so you have to create the alias. Okay, so we have to create the alias, then net my IP, maybe my IP, we type it, then equal which interface IP address you want to check, ifconfig ETH0, you want to check the ETH0 IP interface, but you don't want to type that command, you want to type the shortcut to check the information, right? Just start alias. Okay, so let's clear the screen again. My IP, what is my IP? Oh, this is my IP. Okay, you don't want to type ifconfig ETH0 or something like that, you know. You don't want to how to say that, maybe ETH0 you type the 0 is just O, or maybe the spelling error, something like that. You don't need to worry about it. Just create the shortcut, very short name and easy to remember. You create, and then after that you can check your output, right? It's quite easy to use everything. The problem is if you are using like that, right, the comments only, how to say that, saving the current section. For example, you check again alias. Okay, all these comments are here, right? Check SSH, just now we created my IP, we created SSH checking, we created start SSH service, and all this this one we are not create, right? And then when we create check SSH restart, this is the restart SSH. So all these comments are created by us, right? So this information that's stored only in the current section, which means I close this terminal, right? All this alias will be disappear, which means it's a temporarily to save inside this current section. So you need to create the permanent alias if you want to use after shut down the operating system, after open by the operating system, then you can still use the alias. You have to create the permanent aliases. But let's try whether we our comments are still exit or not. We just exit the terminal and open back. Okay, check alias. So all our created comments are, disappear, because of if you type like that, alias, then my IP, I have config. So all these things are just only saved inside the current section. So after you close this terminal, right, everything will be disappear except the default alias informations. Okay, so except the default we are created also are already gone, and then exit again, right? So this my IP is also, you cannot type the my IP, so it was saying that what is my IP, so you need to install the application or not, something like that. So the system will not remember what is this command name, or what is this you using the alias, right? System not remember. So we have to create the permanent alias if you want. So you have to go check the present working directory. So curly, inside the curly, right, there is a .bash rc file. So you need to create the alias inside this file. So let's check whether the files exist or not. So we go and check, then you will see .bash rc. So you have to type the command inside this file, then you can use your all these alias permanently after you close the terminals, or after you shut down and restart the server. Then you use back the terminal, also still the alias are still inside the file. Okay, let's try. So you have to go inside the terminal, sudo vi, okay, .bash rc, or maybe we are already inside the current directory, .bash bash rc. Okay, oh, my typing the password is wrong. Okay, so inside this file, right, then you can see there is a alias. You can go down, then you will see the alias, custom aliases. Okay, this is the alias. Just now you saw the default one, right? These are inside this .bash rc file. So we have to clear, you have to create the default. And just now I already created this alias clear. Okay, so I will type the rest of the alias file. Okay, then I want to create, for example, my IP. You want to check the my IP, right? Equal ifconfig eth0. Okay, then alias start ssh equal service ssh start. Okay, then alias stop ssh equal to service ssh stop alias restart, right? Ssh equal service ssh restart. Then alias check ssh equal service ssh status. Okay, so you can type whatever you want. I just testing for the some ssh command. You can type anything if you want to use any shortcut name. For example, you want to use the lscof command to shortcut, right? For example, alias, you want to check the port information, then you have to type sudo lsof -i, then you want to check the TCP port 121024. Okay, so you want to check lsof command. You don't want to type lsof command, you want to check only you want to type the port command to check the lsof output. So this is one of the user, and then you want to check the log file alias, then you need to log equal, what is a log directory, but get var log messages, then finish. Okay, once done, you have to save the file, escape shift:/wg. Okay, then you have to, after this, right, some of the output will not, your alias will not working, still not remember. So you have to reload the file. So the command is exec bash. So you have to reload the file, but then all these alias will be remembered by the system. Okay, you need to restart or reload the file to remind, hey, I have added this alias inside the bash rc. Okay, so please use that file to reference. Then I will type enter, then try again whether my ip is still working or not. Okay, so finally my IP already remembered by the system because of we have added inside the bash rc file. Okay, so what is the directory path? The bash rc is inside this slash home curly cat, try again, home dot slash bash rc. Oh, move such file or directory. Let us try. Oh, sorry, this is inside the dot slash directory. Sorry, the file's hiding. Let me check the so let me check the file name. I think file name is something wrong, is it? That this one dot bash rc. Okay, so try again, get dot bash rc. Okay, the file. Okay, so you can see the alias that just now we created, all these aliases inside, right? So this also alias that just now we created. Okay, my ip also working, check ssh also working. Okay, so just now what we check and type the log command, this one also working. Then we can clear the screen, right? See, then clear the screen, everything's working smoothly. Even we exit the terminal and then go back again, whether this all these aliases are working or not. Just try again. Oh, my ip is not working. What happened? Is something wrong, right? So you need to check exec bash. Okay, try again. Okay, my ip is well. So you need to remind the bash file, hey, there is please work this exec, sorry, please reference this bash file. Okay, so that you have to type the command exec bash to reload the bash rc file to remember all your aliases. Okay, so this is all about how you can create the aliases inside the Linux operating system. Okay, anything, do you need some more, please write the comment section and like and subscribe if you wish. Okay, thank you so much guys, bye bye.